why should someone go to your channel and watch your video when you have only one video? What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you have watched my first video. I hope you have watched my previous video. Go and watch it. If you have not watched it, go and watch it. That video is packed with value. It's packed with value. So guys, again, I will start with the why question. Why should someone come back to your channel and watch your videos? I will always start with the why. Why should I come back to your channels and watch your video? Why should anybody at all go back to your channel and watch your video when you only have just one video? When you only have one video and you want to just blow up your channel with just one video. That's possible. I'm not saying it's not possible. That's possible. But guys, why should someone go back to your channel and watch your videos and watch other videos when you only have one? So guys, I will just share what you need to do as a beginner, as a YouTube beginner. So guys, number one is, first, you have a good you already gotten yourself a good channel name, your niche and everything. You have already set up your channels and everything and gotten everything set. Okay, so guys, what you need to do is create at least 4 different videos. You have to create at least 4 different videos. Make sure you edit everything okay. You have a good thumbnails, you have a good titles, you have a good quality content that gives value. Okay, you have value on your content. Values are fully packed on your content. So yes, make sure you create 4, like I said, 4 and post them. You can post them in one day, or post the first day, post the second day, post the third, the fourth day. But I would recommend you post, let me say, within 2 days, post the 4 videos, or you can even post it in one day. Yes, just give it time. Okay, so post like 4 videos if you are a beginner and you don't, maybe for someone who just started, no videos yet, or you have one, just post more 3 or 4 on your channel, so that if at least, let me say, one person clicked on your video and saw value or got value on your video, they would want to go to your channel to look for more things or ideas or tips to watch. So they would love to go to your channel and look for other videos to watch. But if they go to your channel and they find out that you only have one video, what do you think they will do? They will exit your channel, and after that, just one video that they watch, they will not watch again. Nothing. They will do nothing again. So they will leave your channel and look for somewhere else to get what they want. So guys, please make sure you have at least 4 videos. You post at least 4 videos on your channels. Post at least 4 videos on your channels if you are a beginner and if you want to grow. Okay, so that is all I will be sharing for today. Remember, why should someone go to your channel and watch your video when you have only one videos? Remember, post at least 4 on your channels. All right guys, please don't forget to like and share and subscribe if you want to see more of this kind of videos, hitting the main point, hitting the nail on the head, hitting the head on the nail, hitting the head on the... You get my point. Peace out. It's content for creators. Love you guys.